Hello friends, I'm Dee, about to react to this Fanum vid. It's titled The End of AMP. And in the background, he has hella fireworks, just like Kai. So he is also on his warlord shit. These niggas are 1000% gonna have a firework war in the household. I previously said 100%, I think. Now I'm at 1,000. Now I'm at 1,000%. Because y'all are looking for smoke at this point. Literally. You want there to be smoke everywhere in your house is what you want. I don't believe this comes from a place of defense. This is offense. Okay? You are ready for war. And I am here for it. I can't wait to witness it. I hope no one gets hurt though. Because this is very stupid. But I react to a lot of stupid shit. So there's that. Anyway, let's see how this goes and what he has to say. Let's watch.
I don't think they want to go against me and Kai. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, he on Kai side.
I don't think me and Kai should ever be on the same team. Know where we at, because it might get devious. I'm just saying.
These niggas are crazy.
This is not a green screen. This is not a green screen. Look, bro.
This is a green screen?
This is not no green screen. Yo, bro, listen. When I tell you, we about to go like July 4th. I've been blowing up. Let me see. I might have been the first YouTuber in the world. Nah, that's cat. That's cat. I've been blowing since, holy shit. I've been blowing up since the Bronx.
Are you proud of that?
I've been blowing since the Bronx. Let me see. I know the big bar, baby. Hold on, you come on, bro. You know how we come on, bro. We might have to watch this video. We might have to watch this video
for a long time.
Look at Young Winham. Look at Young Winham. Look at Young Winham.
The waist was snatched.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
What happened?
Oh, we've been outside.
Okay, this is normal 4th of July shit.
We've been outside. I got the chooch. You seen? I know you seen the chooch. I know. Hold on. I know you see the chooch. Hold on. I know you see the chooch. Hold on. I know you see the chooch. Hold on.
Oh, look at baby Fanum. Damn, that little bitch.
Oh my
God. He looks cute. He looks so cute.
Damn. I ain't gonna lie, that's Young Winham though. Let me see something. Let me see who's working with that thing. Let me see what the vibe was.
Boy, get on to the details of the hell you about to raise in the house. I'm coming for no damn vlog. But and he's showing us regular firework shit. Regular ratchet. 4th of July shit. You are now discussing blowing your house up.
I might do some calm shit. You know what I'm saying? I might blow, some calm.
This is getting out of hand at this point, but I'm not gonna keep pointing it out, but it's just like, how do I do this? How do I tap into my powers to strengthen them is the question. If you have any tips, let me know, because this happens a lot. If you watch me on a regular basis, you know this happens a lot. Anyway,
I might do some calm shit.
And it's not just me using obvious words that are relevant to the video, but it's me using specific words literally like right before or during or after the person in the video said those same exact words. So it's like, it's the timing. You feel me? I'm just connected.
It might be overkill, me and Kai being on the same team, right?
I didn't know there were teams.
Who crazy than us?
What?
But Davis was talking crazy to me and Kai the other day. I ain't gonna lie.
So it's Agent
going against Davis is like, the U.S. and like the UK,
Damn, son.
like fighting the country.
Fanum half.
Like that's crazy. It's crazy. That's crazy. If Agent get in it, I don't even think because Agent be pump faking. I feel like Agent is an undercover demon.
Yeah.
But like he don't show. I don't know. He don't show that side, bro. Agent's Garden.
Where is he? I don't
Agent's
remember
Garden.
his room looking like this. Am I tripping? Why I look
I ain't
different?
gonna- I never blew this one before.
Damn, son.
I never blew this one. I'm like, hey, how do you do the thing where you go on the phone? Wait, hold on.
What the fuck
Will you
is
hear
that?
me? What? You called me.
Damn, son.
You said what?
Why you gonna boom me?
I'm not gonna boom you. Someone's gonna boom you.
Oh, I bet. I know, because somebody told me you gonna boom me.
No. Somebody said for 1,000 gifted would I boom you.
Damn, son.
I didn't say
Niggas is
yeah,
messy.
but I didn't say no either though. Wait, hold on. I can't hear. Hold on.
A gent's titty.
Well, you said what? Say it again.
I said, for 1,000 gifted, I'll boom you.
For 1,000 gifted, you boom me?
Yeah, like, I'm doing like a little boom, though.
Alright.
Nigga, get out the shot. Who is you? I'm
For
gonna need you
100
to.
gifted, I'll give you a little boom too.
Oh,
How's that pause? Because you said you would boom me for 1,000.
In the back
You said you would
cheesing
boom
and
me for
shit.
1,000. You said you literally just said you would
Instigating.
boom me. You said you gonna take me and boom me for 1,000, gang. That's what you just
you wanna
said.
let me boom your room?
You wanna boom in? You wanna boom in here? Hey yo, what's up with you, gang?
Did he remodel?
Wait, you
I don't
can't
remember
boom my
looking
room,
like
bro,
this.
because my room got mad shit in here. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Wait, I got a question.
Or
If
did
I
he
throw-
change rooms
if
with
I
somebody?
throw,
Did somebody move out?
A matchstick in there, would you, like, die?
I mean, I'm gonna run out.
Yo, that shit look crazy. This nigga got a fucking,
Yo, bro.
Stacked up.
You know.
That's defense.
That's just defense. That's what
No,
I'm saying.
Cap.
Like, it's not offense, bro. Like, it's
Yes,
just
it is.
defense. Just in case.
Here's what I'm trying to tell people. I'm trying to tell people they might get a boring July 4th, bro. Like, if shit go well, bro, all they might get is niggas just throwing fireworks in the front
Yeah.
yard.
Facts.
That's what we want, though.
Like, but you know, I'm on defense. You on? I got reinforcements downstairs. You seen the reinforcements this morning, right?
Oh, yeah, I see that motherfucker.
Yeah, they downstairs. You feel me? Just in case they gotta come in and light them up with me. You know what I'm saying? At any moment. You know what I'm saying? But we not trying to do that though. We not trying to do that. You see what I'm saying?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
I get go.
Alright, so where were we?
I'm trying to do this.
Alright, hit your camera.
Okay.
Damn,
You see the
son.
cameraman?
What?
This nigga's got current weight on the screen. Current weight 238.
Oh, shit.
Already.
Yeah.
that is blowing.
Damn, son.
I know these niggas lying.
Nice job.
P-O-R-Y-T-I-M-E-S.
Already.
Damn, son.
This is a little close to the house.
Damn, son.
Love ya, bro. Keep grinding at Fanum.
Asian, like, what the fuck? Was that Asian?
Damn, son.
SSIR.
Chat, I'm gonna get to a different angle this time. Stand all the way back here.
This is a nice house.
Damn, son.
Coach.
This nigga already using the ammo. This is ghetto, okay? Ghetto. And yeah, I feel like at this point they're in too deep and their viewers are already anticipating a firework war, so they have to deliver. Even if they get cold feet at the last minute and they just like, maybe we shouldn't, fuck shit up this year. They gotta go through with it because everybody's watching, everybody's expecting for y'all to blow shit up, and you're gonna blow this damn house up. Why would you do that? I'm gonna watch. Why? I don't get it. Anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think though. Let me know what other videos you want to watch, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.